The lowest point. Arthur sat on the edge of his threadbare mattress, staring blankly at the eviction notice crumpled in his hands. For months, he had been living from hand to mouth, juggling 3 part-time jobs just to keep the lights on. The damp, peeling walls of his cramped basement apartment seemed to close in on him. He had hit rock bottom, with his bank account showing a meager $2.50. Yet, despite the overwhelming despair threatening to pull him under, a tiny spark of determination ignited within him. He absolutely refused to let this be the end of his story. Teed-bare. Adjective. Becoming thin and tattered with age. Example. He wore a threadbare coat that offered no protection from the winter wind. Eviction. Noun. The legal process of forcing someone to leave the property they are renting. Example. After missing rent for 3 months, she faced eviction. Meager. Adjective. Lacking in quantity or quality. Very small. Example. He tried to survive on a meager salary of $500 a month. Despair. Noun. The complete loss or absence of hope. Example. She cried in despair when she failed the university entrance exam again. Stare blankly. Collocation. To look at something without showing any emotion or understanding. For example, when the teacher asked him a difficult question, he just stared blankly. Live from hand to mouth. Idiom. To have just enough money to live on and nothing extra. For example, when I was a university student, I lived from hand to mouth. Keep the lights on. Idiom. To earn just enough money to pay for basic living expenses, like electricity and food. Example. Business is slow, but we make enough profit to keep the lights on. Hit rock bottom. Idiom. To reach the lowest possible level or the worst possible situation. Example. His business went bankrupt and he lost his house. He really hit rock bottom. The spark of an idea. The turning point came on a dreary Tuesday afternoon when Arthur stumbled upon a discarded vintage mechanical watch in a dumpster alley. Always having a knack for tinkering with gadgets, he took the ruined timepiece home and meticulously cleaned the delicate internal gears. After hours of painstaking effort, the watch miraculously began to tick steadily. He listed the restored item on an online auction site, hoping to make a modest profit to buy groceries. To his sheer astonishment, an overseas collector bought it for $500. That single transaction was a light bulb moment for Arthur. He realized he could turn society's forgotten relics into a highly lucrative business. Dreary. Adjective. Depressing, dull, and bleak. Example. It was a dreary winter morning with gray clouds and cold rain. Meticulously. Adverb. In a way that shows great attention to detail, very thoroughly. Example. The detective meticulously examined the crime scene for clues. Painstaking. Adjective. Done with or employing great care and thoroughness. Example. Writing this dictionary was a painstaking task that took 10 years. Astonishment. Noun. Great surprise. Example. To my astonishment, my boss offered me a promotion after only 1 month. Lucrative. Adjective. Producing a great deal of profit. Making a lot of money. Example. Software engineering can be a very lucrative career. Lucrative can also mean profitable, rentable or productive? Please repeat. Lucrative. Good job. Turning point. Collocation. The time at which a situation starts to change in an important way. Example, winning that competition was the turning point in her tennis career. Stumble upon. Phrasal verb. To find something by accident. Example, while walking in the forest, we stumbled upon an old abandoned cabin. Have a knack for something. Idiom, to have a natural skill or ability for something. For example, my mother has a knack for making anyone feel comfortable in her home. A light bulb moment. Idiom, a moment of sudden realization, inspiration, or understanding. For example, I was struggling with the math problem until I had a light bulb moment. The relentless hustle. Driven by his newfound purpose, Arthur scoured flea markets, yard sales, and estate auctions at the crack of dawn every weekend. He bargained ruthlessly for broken clocks, rusty typewriters, and tarnished silver pocket watches. His small, depressing apartment quickly transformed into a makeshift workshop, cluttered with spare parts and smelling strongly of brass polish and machine oil. The work was physically and mentally demanding, and he frequently burned the midnight oil, sacrificing sleep and any semblance of a social life. There were inevitable setbacks, of course, times when he accidentally shattered a fragile piece or misjudged an item's market value, but he consciously chose to view each failure as a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Scour. Verb. To search a place or thing very carefully in order to find something. For example, I scoured the internet for cheap flights to Japan. Tarnished. Adjective. Of metal having lost its shine, discolored. For example, she polished the tarnished silver teapot until it looked brand new. Okay. Makeshift. Adjective. Serving as a temporary substitute, sufficient for the time being. For example, when it started raining, we used a large plastic sheet as a makeshift tent. Inevitable. Adjective. Certain to happen, unavoidable. For example, when you learn a new language, making mistakes is inevitable. At the crack of dawn. Idiom. Very early in the morning, right when the sun comes up. For example, farmers have to wake up at the crack of dawn to feed the animals. Bargain ruthlessly. Collocation. To argue very strongly over a price without showing any weakness or pity. For example, you have to bargain ruthlessly if you want to buy a car at a good price. Burn the midnight oil. Idiom. To read, study, or work late into the night. For example, I have a big exam tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight. Stepping stone versus stumbling block. Idiom. A stepping stone is an action or event that helps you make progress. A stumbling block is an obstacle that prevents you from succeeding. For example, don't let this rejection be a stumbling block. Use it as a stepping stone to find a better job. The major breakthrough. As his reputation for high-quality, authentic restoration spread, Arthur's clientele grew exponentially. He was no longer just selling to casual online bargain hunters. Wealthy vintage collectors and prestigious antique dealers began seeking out his specialized expertise. The true breakthrough occurred when a prominent local museum commissioned him to restore a 19th century grandfather clock that had been damaged in a fire. The flawless execution of this high-profile project put him on the map. Word of mouth spread like wildfire among the city's elite, and soon Arthur had to lease a proper commercial studio and hire a team of skilled apprentices just to keep up with the soaring demand for his services. Clientele. Noun. The clients or customers of a shop or professional service thought of as a group. For example, the expensive restaurant has a very wealthy clientele. Exponentially. Adverb. In a way that becomes more and more rapid, usually referring to growth. For example, the company's profits grew exponentially after they launched the new app. Prominent. Adjective. Important, famous, or well-known. For example, she is a prominent politician who might run for president next year. Commission. Verb. To formally choose someone to do a special piece of work or to pay for a specific task. For example, the city council commissioned an artist to paint a mural in the town square. Flawless. Adjective. Without any blemishes or imperfections. Perfect. For example, the ballerina gave a flawless performance tonight. Seek out. Phrasal verb. To search hard for a specific person or thing. Example. People seek out his restaurant because he makes the best pizza in town. Put someone on the map. Idiom. To make someone or something famous or important. Example. Hosting the Olympic Games really put the city on the map. Word of mouth. Collocation/noun phrase. Information passed from person to person by spoken communication. For example, we don't spend money on advertising. We get all our customers through word of mouth. Spread like wildfire. Idiom. Usually about news or rumors to become known by people very quickly. For example, once the CEO resigned, the news spread like wildfire through the office. Soaring demand. Collocation. A very fast increase in the desire of buyers for a product. For example, because of the cold winter, there is a soaring demand for heating oil. Wealth and reflection. A decade later, Arthur stood on the expansive balcony of his sprawling penthouse overlooking the glittering city skyline, a stark contrast to the damp, claustrophobic basement he had once inhabited. His humble restoration business had blossomed into a multi-million-dollar empire with boutique branches in 3 major international cities. Although his bank accounts were now overflowing, he never forgot the harsh lessons of his impoverished youth. Determined to leave a meaningful legacy, he established a charitable foundation to provide free vocational training for underprivileged teenagers, ensuring they too had the tools to build a better future. He had achieved unimaginable wealth, but as he watched the sunset over the city, he realized his true success lay in his ability to lift others out of the very darkness he had escaped. Sprawling. Adjective. Spreading out over a large area in an untidy or irregular way, often used for large houses or cities. For example, she lives in a sprawling mansion in Beverly Hills. Blossom. Verb. To mature or develop in a promising or healthy way, like a flower opening. For example, their friendship slowly blossomed into romance. Impoverished. Adjective. Made poor, relating to poverty. Example. The charity brings food and medicine to impoverished communities. Vocational. Adjective. Relating to an occupation or employment, skills-based education rather than purely academic. Example. Instead of university, he went to a vocational school to become a certified electrician. Underprivileged, adjective. Not enjoying the same standard of living or rights as the majority of people in a society. Example: the program provides free laptops to underprivileged children. A stark contrast, collocation. A very clear, obvious, and striking difference between two things. Example: the modern glass building is a stark contrast to the traditional historical houses next to it. A multi-million-dollar empire, collocation. A very large, dominant, and wealthy business organization. Example: she turned her small makeup blog into a multi-million-dollar empire. Harsh lessons, collocation. Difficult or painful things you learned from negative experiences. For example, losing all his savings taught him some harsh lessons about investing. Leave a legacy, collocation. To leave behind a lasting impact, gift, or memory for future generations. For example, the beloved teacher left a legacy of kindness at the school.